Are you going to set up your next Facebook ad campaign using the Facebook traffic ads objective? If yes, stop because there is something for you to take a look at before running the Facebook traffic ads. Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. I am really happy to have you on my channel, and I firmly believe that my tutorials are helping you in your Facebook and Instagram marketing. Today, I am going to teach you how to set up an effective and great working Facebook traffic ad campaign that produces the results. I will also share the reason that why you should or you should not use the Facebook traffic ads. I will also share the reason why most people use the Facebook traffic ads objective for the wrong marketing goals. So let's get started. But before this, if you are new to this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new video. So being a Facebook and Instagram marketer and the owner of a social media marketing agency, I noticed that most people run the Facebook traffic ads to get conversion like the leads or the sales, which is totally wrong. Because using the traffic objective, they tell Facebook to bring only those people to the website who are more likely to click on an ad and visit a website, but not the people who are more likely to visit the website and make a purchase. As Facebook has different group of its users. For example, people who are more likely to watch a video are in group 1, and people who are more likely to click on an ad and visit a website are in group B, and people who are more likely to click on an ad and visit a website and make a purchase are in group C. And now it totally depends upon you that what kind of these people you want your ad to be served. So if you set up a Facebook traffic ad campaign and aim for the conversion or sales, you're totally wrong. But sure, you may get few sales, but not as much as you get through a Facebook conversion ad objective. Instead, you should use the Facebook traffic ads to promote your new store or new website, or to promote a new blog post, or your product is like an education or coaching service. So that's how simply you can set up a great working Facebook traffic ad campaign, but please bear in mind that you should must use the Facebook remarketing ads using the Facebook conversion objective if you want to make the most of the traffic ads, and if you are like an e-commerce business. Okay guys, so I'm here in my Facebook Ads Manager, and now I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process on how to set up a great working Facebook traffic ad campaign. So first we're going to click on this green create button to create our Facebook traffic ad campaign. So this is the place where you'll see different kind of Facebook ads objective like the awareness, the concentration, the conversion. But right now we are talking about traffic ad objective, and then we're going to click on continue. So our campaign is loaded now, and now we're going to do different kinds of settings. So for now we are at the campaign level setting. So first of all, we are going to give it a name. Traffic ads. The campaign details, you can see the campaign details, the objective, as we have already selected the traffic objective. You can actually give it a spending limit, but this is optional. But sure, you can give it a spending limit, and this is the A/B testing, which is a little bit advanced, and we will cover this in our next videos. And there you see the campaign budget optimization. This is also a little bit advanced, but I will tell you a little bit more about this. For example, if you have different ad sets in this ad campaign, and then you switch on this campaign budget optimization, then Facebook will actually optimize your budget between these different ad sets, and Facebook will provide the more budget to the best performing ad set. So for now, as we have only one ad set and we're not going to switch on this one, so we're going to click on next. We are done with the ad campaign level settings, and now we are at the ad set level settings. As usual, we will need to give it a name. I am going to use the lookalike audience. And then under traffic, you see different destinations. For now, we are bringing the traffic to our website, but if you want to bring the traffic to your app, messenger, WhatsApp, you will need to check the relevant checkbox. But we are bringing the traffic to the website, so we will go with the website. And then you see the dynamic creative and the offer. These are a little bit advanced. We will cover this in our next videos, so just don't worry about that. And now let's come to the budget and scheduling. This is the budget where you can provide your own budget. There are actually two kind of budgets. One is the daily budget and the second one is the lifetime budget. So actually with the lifetime budget you can provide it a lifetime budget, and with a daily budget you can actually provide a daily budget. I will go with a daily budget of $5. And then you see the scheduling. This is the start date, and this is the end date. The end date is actually optional, but if you want to end this campaign on a specific date, then you will need to provide a specific end date, but I will just uncheck this box. So if you click on show more option, you will see the ad scheduling. It says you can schedule your ads for specific hours and days of the week. I hope you have got this, but if you want to edit this, you will need to switch to a lifetime budget from daily budget. Then you will be able to edit this ad scheduling. So now we are going towards the audience, and this is the place where you can actually select your audience. For now, I'm going to use my lookalike audience, which is 1%. So the location is obviously the United States. The ages is as it is. The gender, I will just leave it as it is. And detailed targeting, you can actually do further targeting if you don't have any like custom or lookalike audiences. Then you will need to click on this detailed targeting to target different kind of people based on interests, behavior, and demographics, right? These are the languages. I don't actually edit the language tab because most of the people do not mention their language on Facebook. So if we provide a specific language, then we may miss out on important audiences who have not mentioned their languages in their Facebook profiles. So these are the connection. You can actually target the people of different Facebook page followers. So this is how you can target those people, but you have to take a look at this for yourself. And then you can actually save this audience if you want to use this later, which is actually a good practice. So then comes to the placements. There are actually two kinds of placements. So the first one is automatic placement. It is recommended as well by Facebook. If you click on this automatic placement, then Facebook will place your ad on best places. But if you want to click on manual placement, then you will need to manually select the placement where you actually want your ad to be appearing. These are the platform: the Facebook, the Instagram, the Messenger, the Audience Network. But I will go with the automatic placement, as based on my experience, Facebook does an amazing placement. One thing which I want to show you is that if you want your ad to be appeared only on Instagram, then you will need to click on manual placement, then uncheck Facebook, the Audience Network, and the Messenger. This way you will be able to run your ads only on Instagram, because most of the people do not know how to run the how to run the ads only on Instagram. So this is the place where you can actually select the platform. So again, I am going to automatic placement, and we are done with this. So now the optimization and the delivery. I will go to the landing page views instead of the link clicks, because I want people to visit, my blog post that I'm promoting in this ad campaign. So we are done with this campaign. You can actually provide your cost control, but this is optional, right? If we click on show more option, you will see when you get charged. You can actually edit this. So for now it is impression. You can click on link clicks. I will switch to link clicks. So one thing which you should keep in mind, that when you are doing this targeting in this ad set level, be sure to have allocate these estimated daily results, the reach and the link clicks. This is actually a rough data and estimated daily result by Facebook, which can give you a great idea of your targeting. So we are done with the ad set level settings, and now we are going to click on next button to do the ad level settings. So as usual, we are going to give it a name, blog post 1. You can actually give it a name of your own choice. So then you'll need to select the identity, I mean the Facebook page and the Instagram page. And then you can actually go to the ad setup. This is the place where you can actually select the format of your ad. For now it is single image or video. If you have carousel, then you can actually click on carousel and the collection as well, but we will go with the single image or video. So these are the 8 creatives. This is the primary text field where you can actually write your ad copy, and this is the headline, this is the description, and this is the website URL field. So now I'm going to click the copy my new blog post URL. So now let's paste the URL of that blog post. You will see a preview as well. So now we are going to change the ad creative. If we click on add media, and I will search for a relevant image. I think this one looks great. Done. So we have changed the ad creative, and now we are going to give it an ad copy. Again, I will provide the So I have provided, a random ad copy, but sure, you will have a great and attractive ad copy, and then you'll provide, a headline. I will not change the headline. I will leave it as it is, and then you can actually provide a description as well. But for me, it looks great. You can actually change this call to action button as well. For now, you can see it says learn more, and you can actually change this call to action button, and I will leave it as it is. And we are done with the campaign setup, and now what we will need to do is to only click on this publish button. So let's publish this campaign. So our campaign has been published successfully, and now you can actually preview this ad in the Google. You're gonna copy the URL and done, and open a new tab just to preview the ad. So this is how our ad will appear on different placements. You can actually change the placement by clicking on this button, and this is how it will appear on different placements. On instant articles it will appear like this one. So I hope this has been helpful for you, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon if you want to be a superstar social media marketing specialist.